Hello, welcome to my channel Jobs Free Job Search. Today we have some very good job opportunities. Let me discuss the first one. It is from the Mindmap Consulting to the task. Okay, it is about the consulting. It is giving you the training about Linux, virtualization, Wintel and BPS insurance, and designation is associate level. Coming to the CTC, it will provide from 1.8 to 3.5 LPA packages. There is a description that is students will go through 3 to 4 weeks of training basis the opted skill. That means you have to select any of these skills with communication skills and interview skills. Then after completing the training, post completion of the training and clearing the final assessment, that means you will get some certification. Placement drive will be organized where multiple companies will be offering jobs based on competency and their performance in the interviews. Coming to the details of the course, IT or Linux is the course. Training duration is 200. Maybe it's of 200 days, sorry, hours. It is only of 200 hours. Okay, the batch starts from 21st Feb 2022 to and it ends in 31st March 2022. Coming to the virtualization and Wintel, it is of 120 hours and it is also starting from 21st Feb 2022 and ends on March 31st 2022. Next, coming to the BPS insurance, it is of 120 hours duration. It will be having the batches from 21st February ending on 31st March, and other one is on 9th March ending on 10th April. Other one is 15th March ends on 20th April. Coming to the eligibility criteria, it is for BSc, Bcom, BA, BCA 2021 graduates with 50% aggregate throughout their academics with no backlogs, and it is a mandatory to you have the 70 to 80% in this training period. You should be having maintaining the attendance over 70 to 80% at this training period. And coming to the skill, you should be having good communication skills and high proactive in approach. It is a no bond, that means there is no bond, so that you can go anywhere. Again, you can leave the company whenever you want, but there will be some notice period. Mind map pre-assessment followed by 3 to 4 weeks of training. First round is of the training. Second, you have to clear that and you have to give the final assessment. Then you qualify and you will get certification. Third round will be the interview and getting selected for the companies. Okay, here is the apply link. Okay, the last date for it is 14th February 2022 11 AM. You have to apply as soon as possible. Okay, it is very good opportunity for all degree students, not only for the task students. Okay, I will show you the docs form that when you click on it, it will open like this. You have to give your email, your college hall ticket number, your name, mobile number, college name. Here is the list of the college name. You have to select your college name and you have to select your course and you have to give your first preference code. That means what you want to learn, just give that information. It is only for the 2021 graduates. Okay, apply as soon as possible. These all you have to fill. Coming to the second one, it is also from the task platform. It is from the company of eAbyas.com. It is about the role of trainee software developer. Coming to the package, it is of 2.4 to 3.6 per annum. It is hiring the fresh talents. Okay, where you should be having some good knowledge in computer programming languages, and it is only for the Btech, BCA, MCA graduated in 2021 with minimum 60% should apply for it. Skills required are they should be having some good communication skills and some good knowledge in the programming languages. It is the no bond. Okay, the rounds are interview processes of written test, technical interview, HR round, and coming to the last date, it is 14th February 2022, and it is only for the task students. Okay, coming to the next one, it is from the Naukari.com. From the company of Starworth Global Solutions for the role of junior software developer trainee. It requires the employees who are having 1 year experience or else any freshers also can apply for it. Coming to the package, it is of 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. Locations are Chennai, Bangalore, and it is work from home throughout this COVID situation. When the COVID situation is clear, there may be the chance of work from office. Coming to the title, it is for the associate software engineer IT fresher. It is also given the locations are from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai also. Okay. Eligibility is BE, Btech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech, MSc, and the year of passed is 2019-2021 with minimum of 60%. Coming to the skills, programming skills and logical thinking. Okay, if you are required candidate profile should be C++, Java, Python, .NET. They also provided that In BCA there can be any specialization, in BSc also any specialization, Btech B also any specialization, and MTech any specialization, MSc also any specialization, MCA also any specialization. But you should be having some good knowledge on these key skills. Okay, apply for this role. And coming to the next one, this for the role of Python developer, the locations are Tirupati, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Kakinada, and the packages of 3.5 to 5 LPA. It is also for the freshers and 1 year experience candidates. Okay, the requirements of degree in computer science are equivalent. You should be having any degree, I mean Btech, and you should be having good knowledge on the data structures, computer algorithms, computational algorithms, and operational systems. Okay, data engineering experience should be of 0 or 1 years. Okay, if you are fresher or if you are having 1 year's experience in data engineering, it's good, but you have to be good at Python and SQL skills, and you should be having any cloud platform experience with Python. Okay, you should be learning this stuff. Package is of 3 to 5 lakhs, but it is originally 3.8 to 5.8, where 80 is of variable. Any degree, it is also mentioned again that any degree with good Python knowledge, that means if you have any good knowledge in Python, you can apply for this. And the locations also, they also mentioned that it is also from Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad. Okay, apply as soon as possible for these jobs. Coming to the next one, it is from the REACTz technologies. Okay, going into the details of it. Okay, you should be having some good skills in HTML, CSS, MySQL, Java, Python, C, C++, C Sharp, and experience is freshers only required. And your package is of 3 to 5 LPA. Location is Bangalore. Okay, working hours will be from Monday to Friday. Coming to the education qualification, BE, Btech, BCMCA 2019, 2021. Okay, role is of full stack developer. Okay, any graduates from BCA, Btech, BE, MCA can apply for this role, but you should be having some good knowledge in Java, CSS, HTML, MySQL. Okay, coming to the next one, it is it is from HCL. It is hiring freshers, that is BE, Btech from Tier 1 institution of India, IITs and NITs. But all other also can apply for this role. If you have any good luck, you can get in this. The processes of technical test, then interviews. Coming to the eligibility criteria, 60% and above in your all graduation. To graduation, there should not be any backlogs. You should be from batch of 2020, 2021, 2022. It is of variable locations, but you should be having very good knowledge of about these all things. You should be very good knowledge of data structures, GPS, database development, software engineering, C, C++. Okay, these are today's. I best prefer that the all degree students please apply for this training, so that there may be a good chance for you to get job after some certification. And Btech students who are looking for any non-bond can apply other all these. Okay, thank you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.